Hi everyone. Join me today for a quick and effective English speaking session that will sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your fluency. Watch until the end.
Vihan, I've been trying to wrap my head around the French Revolution. It's quite a complex topic, isn't it?
Absolutely, Arav. It was a time of great turmoil and change. The revolution began in 1789, and it was a period where the people of France overthrew the monarchy and took control of the government.
I read that it started with the financial crisis and the commoners' frustration with the feudal system and the absolute monarchy.
Yes, the economic hardship, especially the debt incurred by the government due to its involvement in the American Revolution, played a significant role. The Estates General was called in 1789 to address the financial situation, but it quickly turned into a power struggle between the different estates.
And that's when the National Assembly was formed by the Third Estate, right? They wanted a constitution and a say in the government.
Correct. The storming of the Bastille on 14th July 1789 became the symbol of the revolution. It marked the rise of the common people and set the stage for the abolition of feudalism and the declaration of the rights of man and of the citizen.
The ideals of liberty, equality, fraternity were quite revolutionary. But the path wasn't smooth, was it? There was a lot of violence during the Reign of Terror.
Indeed, the Reign of Terror led by Robespierre was a dark time. Thousands were executed, including King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette. It was a period of radical measures and counter-revolutionary movements.
But eventually, the revolution led to the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, and he established the French consulate, right?
Yes, after the fall of the Directory, Napoleon's coup in 1799 ended the revolution and began his rule. The Napoleonic Code and other reforms he introduced had a lasting impact on France and Europe.
It's incredible how the French Revolution influenced so many aspects of modern society, from politics to human rights.
Absolutely. Its legacy is seen in the democratic principles and the emphasis on human rights that continue to shape governments around the world.
Speaking of human rights, the French Revolution really emphasized the importance of the individual, didn't it?
Yes, it did. The Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen was groundbreaking. It proclaimed that all men were born free and equal in rights. This was a direct challenge to the established social hierarchy.
And it wasn't just about the rights of the French people. The revolution had a ripple effect across Europe and even the Americas, inspiring other movements.
True. The Haitian Revolution, for instance, was directly influenced by the French Revolution. It led to Haiti becoming the first independent nation in Latin America and the first post-colonial independent black-led nation in the world.
The French Revolution also had a significant impact on women's rights, although it wasn't all positive. Women like Olympe de Gouges fought for female equality.
That's right. Despite her efforts, and the publication of the Declaration of the Rights of Woman and the Female Citizen, women's rights were not significantly advanced during the Revolution. It took many more years for substantial progress to be made.
It's a bit ironic, isn't it? A revolution based on equality, yet half the population was still largely excluded.
It is, but that's the complexity of history. Each step towards equality often reveals more work to be done. The French Revolution set many precedents, but it was just the beginning of a long journey towards true equality.
I guess that's why studying history is so important. It shows us how far we've come and how far we still have to go.
Exactly. And it's not just about political change. The cultural and intellectual shifts were just as significant. The Enlightenment ideas that fueled the revolution also sparked a new way of thinking.
The revolution certainly did challenge the traditional order of things. It's amazing to think about how those 10 years changed the world.
Indeed, Arav. And the effects of those changes are still felt today. It's a testament to the power of people's will and the quest for freedom and justice.
Thanks, Vihan. Discussing this with you has given me a clearer perspective on the significance of the French Revolution.
Anytime, Arav. It's always good to delve into history to understand our present and future better.
Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get alerts for new videos. Your support means a lot, and it helps the channel grow. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.